Hi everyone, my name is Rose and this is the beta update. Ow. The Stardew project pan. I just like smacked my knuckles together and that hurt. Okay. So this is a rolling 5 pan. And you pick items based on characters from Stardew Valley. And it's going to get until December 21st. I almost said 31st. That was the wrong day. So let's get into it. The first item we have is Robin. I'll show you where it was last time. And now it is empty. It only took 10 uses to finish off. I'm gonna miss this because it smelled really good, but also it was kind of starting to dry up and like, I can't buy it again. That's the one bad thing about buying things from, like, Dollar Tree is they just give random items sometimes and you never see them again, so. But yeah, I finished this little peach for Robin, so it was really nice hand cream. I used it, like, at night before I went to bed, and it was great. So, yeah. Next item is this all mixed up polish, tie-dye polish for Shane. And my goal was to reach 10 uses, and I have now reached 10 uses. It is like halfway. I was debating on whether to just declutter it or not after I reach 10 uses, and I am going to declutter it because turns out I'm gonna be moving. You don't know. I don't have, like, right now we're in the process of looking for a place, so it's not like, but in the foreseeable future we're moving because there's some things I'm not gonna get into it, but I'm gonna be moving. And yeah, so I'm just gonna throw this out now. It's thick, it's goopy, takes forever to dry, and like I've used this for a long time. Like when I first got it, it was like 3 layers, and I used up the first layer, and then it's from Justice. I think Justice went out of business too. I'm not sure about that. I have a backpack from Justice. It's like one of those messenger bags, and it's like red plaid with a black peace sign on it. It's really cool, actually. It's like so my style. Like anything plaid, I'm just like, I love it. But yeah, so I'm just throw this out. So yeah. Next is for Gus. I have this Hufflepuff Eyeshadow, and my goal is to reach 20 uses on it, and I've only used it I think 2 times since last update, which one of those times is today. I absolutely forgot about this eyeshadow. I forgot it was in a project. I forgot everything, but I'm hoping that I can start reaching for it because I'm gonna really start. I think I'm gonna start focusing on some more yellows and oranges right now, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm wearing it a little bit in my inner core, but I topped it with something and then I put it here. I did a halo eye, which my like centers are like all wonky because I haven't done a halo eye in like forever. But yeah, I did a burnt orange and then like the yellow center, but it's like super wonky and I'm like so yeah, I only have 4 uses in total on that. I think I kind of estimate how easy it was to use, but I still think I could get 20 uses out of it. So yeah. Next is for Abigail, and then I have this Wet n Wild Scorpio lip gloss. I'm wearing it mixed with this. I leave the other products on my face in the description box, so as best as I can. Like, I forget sometimes what I put on my face. Sometimes I'm like staring at the picture I took from the thumbnail and be like, what did I wear that? I like forget all the time, especially if it's like a couple days since I like tried to like upload. I've been having upload issues too, but yeah. This is also trying to get 20 uses. And I have 5, 6, 7, 8 right now. So I think I can easily get this used up, or with 20 uses. And yeah. So yeah, and then the last item. Oh yes, I did bring it over. Okay, I was like, wait, I don't think I brought it over. And it was just this little sample of spicebomb, and it was for Alex. It was there, and then now it's like there's like a little bit of fluid left. I used it today, but like there was like 15 uses in that little bit of liquid. Like I thought it was only gonna be like 10 uses, but it was like 15 or something. I mean, I've only been using like 2 spritzes of it, but I usually use 2 to like 6 spritzes of perfumes, and that's why they last me forever. But I've just been like spraying this on myself. I really like this scent. This is Spicebomb by Viktor and Rolf. But I'm glad I got this out of my collection, because I think I got it like a year ago. I think I got it when I ordered stuff to get my birthday gift last year. And my birthday's in November, so because I'm a Scorpio. But yeah, so yeah, I think I've had it for a year, and it was just like sitting there. I mean, it doesn't take up that much room, but still, it just fell out. But yeah, I'm glad this is gone, and I really enjoyed it. And yeah, so now to add 3 new things in. So first off is for Evelyn, however you say it. You call her Granny in the game. And I picked this. These are like little nail glitter things. They're like, I don't know what to call them, but they're little hearts. And I picked it for Granny, because she like loves everyone. She wants everyone to call her Granny. So, and I'm gonna use these like at the top. I think will go well with the purple polish that's in my Beauty A to Z, and I'll just put them on my last like 4 fingers, like 1 on each in the center. Even though it looks like there's very little, there are probably around 50 of them, which would be if I use 4, it would be a lot of uses, over 10. But yeah, so I'm hoping to finish this, because there's not that much, and this was in my 50 Shades of Pink project pan, and I got really close, so I'm hoping I can finish this off. So yeah, that's good. Okay, next I'm adding 2 eyeshadows. Like, I have had bad luck with the Hufflepuff eyeshadow, but hopefully, because I was like, I didn't want to add another nail polish in, because I'm really trying to focus on the 3 that's in my Beauty A to Z right now. So I want to give myself 1 more month, and then I might add in 1 more polish, but I don't know, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm adding 2 polishes, 2 eyeshadows. That's what they're called. Yeah. So first eyeshadow is for the wizard, and both of these new eyeshadows that I'm adding in, I'm only going to try to reach 10 uses on. So I'm like cutting the uses mark in half, but it's a shade. The shade I'm picking for the wizard is in the Sephora Pro Editorial 2.0 palette. I got this last year on clearance for like half off, which these are normally like $68, so I got it for like $34, which is really nice. And I'm gonna pick the shade called Wizard. Like, I'm holding it upside down so I don't have to do the mirror, but I'll swatch it. And this is such a pretty shade. Like, it's a taupey purple with a gold shimmer. But yeah, that's what it looks like on my hand. That's not my finger. But yeah, it's like one of the more unique shades in that palette, but it's super pretty. So yeah, 10 uses. Hopefully I can use it. I mean, I'm gonna try to split my time between like orangey yellow looks and like blue purple looks, so we'll see, because the next eyeshadow is blue. But I think I could use the blue with this purple. But yeah, so next eyeshadow is for Gunther, which he's the head of the museum thing. You bring him artifacts and like, so he must be super knowledgeable about like things and stuff. So yeah, you can't really talk to him that much. You can't give him gifts or anything. So since he's probably super knowledgeable and stuff, I picked this blue eyeshadow, which is what, from that same brand that this one is. This is the Hufflepuff, the Angel Empire Cosmetics, that they went out of business, so it's like doesn't really matter. But I'm gonna have the name in the description box. But this is the Ravenclaw eyeshadow. So Ravenclaws are super smart, and like, yeah, and I'll swatch this one out too. These eyeshadows are like real soft from this brand, so it's like I have to be gentle, because if I just like, especially this yellow one is like, if I just touch it too rough, like it will like crumble probably. Like I need to be super careful with it. But yeah, so that's the Ravenclaw. I keep wanting to call it Slytherin. I am not speaking well today, but yeah, so that's the Ravenclaw one. I want 10 uses on that. I think I can use these together. Like I could do some like crease work, and then I can do like this on the first half of the lid, and then this more on the later half, and blend them together. I think it will look nice that way with some other colors. I don't know what other colors, but yeah, so that's all the things I'm adding and getting rid of and doing all that jazz and everything. So thank you so much for watching, and again, also, you like my shirt? I tie-dyed it myself. It's from Five Below. It was just a white shirt with the Polaroid and the rainbow, and I did this coral color, some coral, and then yellow, and it is like on a diagonal stripe. And then these are just from the table I was tie-dyeing it on, because we were like tie-dyeing a whole bunch of shirts, so it kind of got some imprints on it. But I think it adds some cool thing. I really like this shoulder, because it kind of like looks like an explosion. But yeah, so it's just diagonal stripes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.